Minasan, konnichiwa, watashi no YouTube channel iku. So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So for today's vlog, as you can see, I have another box here. So I'm so excited because I'm gonna do unboxing moment again. So let's try and check it out. So I have here this latest version of TARION LED ring light. Tadaan! So, malaki talaga siya. I'm so excited talaga to check this box. Kasi alam kong high quality siya. So this box includes LED ring light, tripod stand, and accessories. So let's find out. So let's open na this mystery box. Whoa! Tadaan! So we have here the accessories. So let's find out what's inside. Anong klaseng accessory siya, day? Wow! So ito yung, I think this is the mini tripod. Wow! Talagang bonggang-bongga siya, day. I really love this one. Oh my gulay. So it's mini tripod. So later na natin to i-set up, day, kasi we need to check the manual, the guidebook. Kasi hindi naman tayo expert. So let's try to set up this later. So tingnan mo naman, guys, very high quality talaga siya. So balik muna natin siya. Let's set aside this tripod, mini tripods. So let's put this down. Let's find out. So what's this one? Oh, tada! Wow! Makakawaw ka talaga. I really love this one. This is the tripod. The tripod set. High stability. So let's find out. So this is made of alloy, guys. This is made of alloy. Wow, finally I have this one. Oh, so it's here. So this is the user manual. We really need this one to know how to set up. So here there's an instruction written. So if you can't understand, so obviously it's written. So it's Japanese. So obviously it's written in Japanese language. Wow, bright ka, day. So don't worry because there's a picture. Here also. And I think there's an English. Oh, I told you. So there's an English version, guys. So no worries. We can make it. So let's try to set up this later na lang. So this is the user manual. This is the, yay! Tripods. So this is the tripod. Wow! This is the tripod. So it's a TARION tripod. So you can adjust this one up to 1 to 4 meter, I think. Wow! I so love this one. So this is adjustable. So this is the ano guys. If you like to adjust this in higher level so there's a lever lock here in both sides. You just need to adjust this one para tumaas siya. Oh, diba? Like, should I? Another. And this is the last one. So you can adjust this because there's a 4 levels, I think. So it's up to you if anong level yung gusto mo. Just need to ano. Ganon! Diba? Laisyo. Hindi yun ako nakikita dahil. So let's ano this. Oh my god! Later. It's up to you if ano yung height na prefer mo. So it's 1 to 4 meter naman. So you don't need to worry guys. It's very convenient talaga. So balik na natin siya sa dati. Mamaya na natin i-ano siya. Oh, okay lang naman. Just need to put this side. Kanarn. So yun yung tripod. So let's have this. Wow. So wala na siya dahil. Last na yung dahil. So this is the ring light. Yay! Diba? So we have here the product parameter. So light type, lead light beads. Color temperature is 3,200 up to 6,500 K. Product size is 11 inches. Wow. So super gaganda tayo nito guys. Charot lang. Baka naman diba at least pangdagdag. Operation voltage is DC 5V. Rated power is 11W. Number of light beads is 120 pieces. Charot lang pa. Gaganda ka, Jai. Huwag kang mag-alala, Jai. So, ganarn. So, you can use this one for live stream, makeup, video, or TikTok, or kung ano yung mga ano mo, aurahan. Go na go ka dito, guys. So, let's open this lead ring light. I'm so excited. Wow! Oh my god! Oh, I love. Yay! So I have here ring light, lead ring light from TARION. So you have here the guidebook, manual again for this ring light. So obviously it's written in Japanese again. But there's a picture, so it's fine. And there's an English guide at the back. So it's perfectly fine, guys. We can make it. So yes, we have here the lead ring light guidebook. Yay! So this is very flexible. So you can put here another camera, your phone here, and here the side also you can put another camera. So it's ano, 3-way. Charot lang. Very flexible siya, guys. Very convenient siya. So let's, and also guys, there's a 3 light mode, so we can adjust this one. Alright guys, so let's try to set up na. So, ito yung ano natin, user manual for the ring light. So, let's try to ano this one na. Alright. Char, expert ka day. So, ito yung ring light niya, te. Ito yung ating pinakamamahal na si tripod. So, let's assemble. So, idikit natin siya, day. Yung pang forever na dikit. Dikit natin siya ng pinakamahigpit. Ayan. Ayan, nakadikit na siya mga te. So, nakadikit na siya. But let's try to lock. So, it's here. TARION lead ring light with tripod stand. So, let's check now the ring light. So, you can use your adapter, personal computer, or batteries from your phone. Then earn. So, let's try this laptop. Alright guys, so let's try now. So this is the remote control. So as you can see, this is the on and off. Ayan. So meron siyang tatlong klase ng lights. So ito naman yung ipe-press natin is 1 para ma-change yung light niya. Number 2, number 3. So if you like to adjust the light, just press this plus sign and ito namang minus sign. Gusto mo nang lessen yung light niya. Ayan. So let's change. So pa-strong natin siya. Ayan, light naman. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Ganyan siya kataas. So, it's perfect for pictorial, TikTok, live, and so on and so forth. Ayan. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to like, comment down below, and share to your friends. And of course, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much to all my silent supporter out there. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.